Is your Windows 11 playing hide and seek with your Wi-Fi, leaving you stranded offline? Let's jump into troubleshooting this pesky problem first. Open the Settings app by pressing the Windows key plus I, then click on Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. It sounds simple, but it's a common culprit if it's already off. Let's move on. Next, let's check your network adapter. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the Network Adapters section. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. It will likely have wireless adapter or something similar in its name. Right-click on it. First, select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest software. If it says the best drivers are already installed, you can try searching for updated drivers on Windows Update. If updating doesn't work, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter again, and this time, select Disable Device. A warning will pop up. Click Yes. Wait a few seconds. Now, right-click on the disabled adapter again and select Enable Device. This often resets the connection and brings the Wi-Fi option back. As a last resort, you can try a network reset. Go back to Settings, Network and Internet, and then Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Remember, this will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so back them up if possible. Click Reset now and confirm your computer will restart. With these steps, you should be back online in no time. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting your internet service provider for further assistance. Now you can go back to enjoying seamless internet access.